We're currently here to the grand press con of the newest teleserye, which is Forevermore. And here with me is Enrique.
What's up?
Yes, Enrique. Yes.
Yes,
Can you
what's up,
tell
man?
us your character in this teleserye?
Yes, ako po si Sander dito.
Mhm.
Ang character ko dito, medyo outgoing, adventurous. Parang he always wants to live life to the fullest. But saying that, ganun yung, that's how he wants. Deep, pero deep inside, patay siya. Wala siyang buhay. Dahil nga may nangyari sa buhay niya. May incident na nangyari. Malalaman yung story yun, pero ganun si Sander. So, yun, medyo may twist.
Mhm. And then yung Forevermore, is this a remake of the Jericho and Christine?
No, it's different. It's different. It's a different story. Ibang everything is different. So, ito original po ito.
And ano po ba yung, aside from that, ano pa yung abangan natin sa teleserye?
Well guys, ang director ko lang, Direk Cathy Garcia
Yes,
Molina.
box office director.
Yes, abangan nyo yan. Yung story po namin sobrang ganda. Yung bagong team up namin ni Liza. And yung ibang cast, si Joey kasama dito, si Sir Soren. Napakarami po. Marami po. So yun, abangan nyo po.
Ayan, kailan magsisimula ang Forevermore?
Malapit na. Wala pang definite date. Malapit na.
Okay, thank you, Enrique.
Thank you guys.
Yes.